The second concept of trigonometry is what we call the sine rule. Okay, so the law of sine is very useful in solving our triangle. Alright, so it's either we want to solve for the unknown length or solve for the unknown angle. And one very important thing about the sine rule is that this sine rule can be used in all triangles. Okay, so you can use it in your right angle triangle, you can use it in your non-right angle triangle. Right? Whereas for Tuakaso, we can only use for right angle triangle. Okay, so the sine rule is A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to sine C over sine C. Alright, so what is A and what is capital letter A? Okay, so if you look at this triangle, we have three angles, right? Okay, so our angle big A is this, and the length just opposite the angle is also A. Okay, so this is how we define A, B, and C, be it your big letter or small letter. Okay, so let us take a look at our example. So looking at this example, we know that we just want to confirm our sine rule and sine rule. Okay, so let's just say we have this 8 and the angle 62.2. I want to double check whether is it equal to 5 over sine 33.5. Okay, so let us check. So 8 over sine 62.2 degree is equal to, if you use calculator, okay, so you should get about 9.04. Okay, so we check up with our 5 and sine 33.5. Okay, so 5 divided by sine 33.5 degree. Okay, so you also get about 9.05. Okay, then after that we check with our 9 and 84.3. So 9 divided by sine 84.3 is equal to, so it's about 9.04. So you can see the answer is almost the same. It's just a very minor trivial difference only. Okay, so our sine rule is proven correct. Yep. Okay, so just remember A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. So yeah, so how do you use it? Let us see an example. So for this example, we want to calculate what is angle side C, right? Okay, so if we look, we have angle B right here, and we have angle length B. So we just use the sine rule. Okay, so 7 over sine 35 degree is equal to side C over sine 105 degree. Okay, so you just press your calculator to see what is your length C. So 7 divided by sine 35 times your sine 105. So you should get about 11.8. So the length C is about 11.8. So let's take a look at example this. So we have same thing. We have all two length and one angle, right? I want to find what is my angle B. So if we do, right, 5.5 over sine 63 degree is equal to 4.7 sine B. Right, then after that we just cross multiply. Sine B sine B times 5.5 is equal to 4.7 sine 63. Okay, so we just press calculator. So for the right hand side, you should get here of 4. Okay, then you just move your 5.5 to the right hand side. So sine B is equal to 0.7614055575. Okay, so this is sine B, but I don't want sine B, right? I want angle B. Okay, so how do I calculate my angle B? Very simple. For your calculator, you just press B, not B, sine inverse. Okay, so for my sharp, I will press second F and sine. Okay, so sine inverse 0.7614055575. So sine okay, so you should get about 49.6 degree. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so just know how to use a calculator to do this operation, sine inverse. Okay, the next example, we want to calculate what is our angle R. So we should use our sine rule. So 28 over sine 39 degree is equal to 41 over sine R. Okay, so same thing, just cross multiply. 28 sine R is equal to 41 sine 39. Okay, so just press calculator. 41 sine. So your sine R equal to 0.921504,858. Okay, so now same thing. Do the sine inverse. R is equal to sine inverse 0. Okay, so let's calculate what you got. Okay, so you should get your angle R to be about 67.1 degree. So this is using sine rule to calculate either your length or your angle. Okay, so yeah, alright. So you can try all these sine rule questions and come back to check your answer later.